I used to dream about a love that wouldn't fade, a man who clinged to God and prayed, someone who'd lead and guide me, someone who'd never walk away. But I was searching in all the wrong places, filling empty space with broken faces. I calling it love, but knew it was a lie. When it came to an end, something died inside. I was chasing what I thought I needed, but my heart was wounded, I couldn't see it. Every choice just led me back to pain. Different name, but the same old chain. Jesus, you're more than enough for me, more than the love I thought I need. You healed all my broken heart inside, wiped every tear when I used to cry. Jesus, you're more than enough, it's true. Before anyone, Lord, I choose you. Now I'm whole, I'm finally free. Jesus, you're more than enough for me. I gave my heart to hands that couldn't hold it. I believed their word, but they never showed it. Ignore the signs, I pushed through the pain, hoping this time things would change. But I was choosing from a wounded place, looking for healing in someone's face, trying to find what only you could be. Love that restores completely. I didn't know I was broken inside till you revealed what I tried to hide. You met me there in my darkest place and covered me with your grace. Jesus, you're more than enough for me. Heart inside, wiped every tear when I used to cry. Jesus, you're more than enough, it's true. Before anyone, Lord, I choose you. Now I'm whole, I'm finally free. Jesus, you're more than enough for me. You healed my heart, you changed my mind, gave me a love I could never find. I'm not searching, I'm standing still, trusting your timing, trusting your will. And when you send him, I'll understand. He'll be a God-led, praying man. He won't compete for the place you hold. He'll walk beside me, now take control. 'Cause any man who's led by you know exactly what to do. He'll honor you above it all and catch me when I fall. I don't need to rush anymore. I found what my heart was searching for. In your presence I've been made new, and I'm complete because of you. Jesus, you're more than enough for me. More than the love I thought I need. You healed every broken heart inside, wiped every tear when I used to cry. Jesus, you're more than enough, always, through every season, every phase. And if love comes, it will be right, but you'll still be my first Jesus, you're more than enough for me. Whatever plan you have for me, I know your grace will carry me. And whether I walk this road alone or with the man you've chosen for me, Jesus, you will always be more than enough for me.